Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Let's continue learning Chinese characters related to body parts. Today, we're going to explore the Chinese character rou. In Oracle bone script, the earliest form looked like a piece of meat. And in small seal script, more lines and textures were added to highlight the grain and patterns of a meat chunk. Later, it evolved into the modern form we use today, except the lines in the middle were replaced by two small ren-like shapes. The original meaning of the Chinese character, rou, refers to the flesh or muscle of humans or animals. It is both a core physical component of a living body and an essential food source for survival. Because of its key features, soft, tangible, edible, the character rou also extends to meanings such as the main part of food, the substance of something, and even emotional intimacy. Ji-rou means the muscles of the human or animal body.
Pi-rou means skin and flesh, a general reference to the body.
Gu-rou means bones and flesh, metaphorically refers to close relatives. Here, rou refers to muscle tissue inside a human or animal body.
肉馅 means minced meat used for making buns, dumplings, and more.
Rou fu means dried meat slices. Here, rou refers to processed, edible meat products. Guo rou means the edible flesh of a fruit. Ye rou means the spongy leaf tissue containing chloroplasts inside a plant leaf. Here, rou refers to the flesh-like part inside a plant or an object. Rougan describes a plump, soft, tactile, or visual sensation. Rou-ma describes a feeling of discomfort caused by overly flirtatious or insincere words or behavior, cringy or corny. Here, rou describes texture, condition, or an abstract concept. Now let's practice reading.
肉 肉 肉
The character rou is a single component character with 6 strokes: vertical, horizontal turn hook, left falling, dot, left falling, dot. We can write it by separating it into an outer part and an inner part. First, write a vertical stroke in the center left area of the character grid. Then, starting from the top of that vertical stroke, write a horizontal turn hook to the right, and the turning down point should land around the middle of the right side of the grid. Now the outer frame is finished. Next, we write the inner part, which is made of 2 ren-shaped components. Write 1 left falling stroke and 1 dot. Then below it, repeat again, 1 left falling stroke and 1 dot. And now the character rou is complete. When rou is used as a radical, it often transforms into this. It looks the same as the moon character, yue, but it has nothing to do with the moon. Characters formed with this radical are often related to body parts, organs, or flesh, such as gan is liver, pang means fat, overweight, zi means muscle. In English, there are different words for different types of meat, such as beef, lamb, and pork, but in Chinese, we can use the single character rou to refer to all kinds of meat. We simply add the animal character in front of rou to mean the meat from that animal. For example, niu is cow. Add rou to form niu rou, which means beef. Yang is sheep. Add rou to form yang rou, which means lamb or mutton. Zhu is pig. Add rou to form zhu rou, which means pork. Now let's learn a new idiom, 有血有肉. Literally, it means having blood and having flesh, but that's not the actual meaning.
有血有肉 is a vivid, life-filled idiom. It is mainly used to describe a character or a literary or artistic work as lively, realistic, rich in detail, and full of life.
Did you get it? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More Chinese character stories are coming soon.